wet one today, so I'm not going too far. It's too foggy, the wind's gonna pick up, and just not very pleasant conditions. So I'm just gonna go very local and have a quick trip. Who knows, might still catch a cod or get something. Something big here. On the way down. Caught it in the middle of the water. Some line on the way. Pulling out from the reel. This is a monster. So cold on the fingers. Once in a while you just have to go and warm up a bit. And it's wet. Got one more place I want to try out. Very, very shallow, so I'm heading over now. Let's go. Here. Gonna give it a quick shot. If it doesn't work, then I'm done for the day. It's getting cold. That's it. It's too cold and wet, and I'm just gonna pack up, do up the fish, and head back home. It's been a great fishing trip. Absolutely amazing. Some nice and good fish. That went about a million times better than I could have hoped for. Crop weather with great fishing, but I did cut myself a little bit when making the fillet. I couldn't feel anything in my fingers, it was too cold, and turned out I gave myself a small little poke with a knife. Nothing big, can happen. See you guys next time.